In this session, we are going to solve MCQ on topic halogen derivatives on the point SN2 and SN1 mechanism and optical isomerism. Okay, now let us start these questions. In the last session, you solved 75 questions. Now, next question is, which of the following is most reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction? Okay, now observe all these options that, see, this lone pair present on this chlorine atom is in conjugation with this double bond in these three compound. Okay, therefore they have a less reactivity, while see this allyl chloride, it is a more reactive or most reactive out of these four. Therefore answer is this one. Okay, next, you know that here the resonance structures of this, and this is a vinyl chloride, it is a less reactive due to resonance. Same thing here. Okay, now next question. Now before starting next question, let us see some important points for SN2 and SN1 reaction mechanism. Therefore, you can solve so many questions. See here, first consider SN2 and then SN1. Here example is methyl halide hydrolysis of primary alkyl halide, here for tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, and here it is a one step. That is, in that step, both these molecules involved, therefore it is a bimolecular and second order. Okay, while here two steps, therefore in the first step, the only this molecule involved, which is a slow step, therefore it is a first order and unimolecular. Okay, next, now in the first step, carbocation is formed here, and the stability of carbocation is in this order. Therefore, order of reactivity for SN1 is also same. Okay, next. Now one more point. If these starting materials are optically active, okay, chiral molecules are there, then here in case of this inversion of configuration called Walden inversion, while here racemization takes place. Okay, now one more point here, SN2 mechanism is favored by a protic solvent with a low polarity. Here protic solvent or a solvent with a more polarity. One more point, remember this one, for benzyl halide and allyl halide, these two compounds, they have a more reactivity for SN1 reaction than any other primary alkyl halide. Remember this point. Okay. Next. Now let us see questions here. SN2 mechanism proceeds through the formation of, yes, SN2 one step, this proceeds through transition state. Next, the stability order for carbocation is, you know that, this one. Okay. Next, which of the following compounds is not chiral? Now, chiral carbon. Now, draw the structures of this 1-chloro-2-methyl butane. Here, 1-chloro-2-methyl butane. Yes, it has a chiral atom. 4 different groups are present on this carbon. Next, 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. 2-chloro-2-methyl. No, it has no chiral carbon atom. Okay. Next one, 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. Yes, it is optically active, or it has a chiral carbon. Next, 2-chloropentane. Yes, it also has these and these 4 different groups, chiral carbon. Okay. Therefore, the answer is, which has a not chiral carbon. Chiral carbon is a 2-chloro-2-methyl, this one compound. Okay. Next, which of the following is the correct order of decreasing SN2? Now, you know that SN2 is a primary, secondary, tertiary sequence is this one. Okay, therefore, see this one. Here it is a primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, decreasing order. Next question. Now, the increasing order of nucleophilicity for I minus, Cl minus and Br minus. Now I will give you one trick here. Remember, in the periodic table you know that this one, nitrogen, then oxygen, here then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Remember, nucleophilicity decreases from left to right, while increases from top to bottom in this group. Okay, it is just opposite to electronegativity. Okay, remember like this one. Okay, now therefore it has a more nucleophilicity than this. Therefore the answer is this one. Okay, next, in SN2 reaction, at an asymmetric carbon of a compound gives product SN2 inversion of configuration. Okay, next, which of the following is a correct about SN2 mechanism? Now SN2 mechanism, yes. Two-step mechanism, no, this is wrong. Hydrolysis of CX bond is slow step of the reaction, no. Okay, a protic solvent or solvent with a low polarity will favor SN2 mechanism, yes. For optically active substrate, the product form is racemic mixture, no. Therefore correct sentence is this one. Okay, next one. Racemic modification is an equimolar mixture of dextro and LuO. It is optically inactive. This is the answer. Next question. Which of the following is least stable? Which of the following carbocation is a least stable? Now you know the stability of carbocation. Okay, it's in this order. Therefore, primary is least stable. Now it is primary. In that the methyl is least stable because here one methyl electron donating inductive effect is there. It is the least stable. Okay, see this one sequence. In which of the following pairs both are nucleophiles? Now here nucleophiles means electron rich species. Now here nucleophiles may be negatively charged, one thing, or the second point is neutral species with lone pair of electron. Okay, now here both are negatively charged, no. Now see these two, neutral, but both they have a lone pair of electron. Okay, therefore these both are nucleophiles. Next, the geometry of carbocation is, now carbocation is this one. This is the structure of carbocation. It is a trigonal planar structure. This is a planar. Which is incorrect for racemic mixture? It is optically inactive. It is a correct statement. An equimolar mixture of enantiomers. Yes, it is correct. It is designated as a DL or plus minus. This is also correct. It is a dextrorotatory. No, it is actually optically inactive. Okay, next. Two possible stereoisomers of lactic acid which are optically active are called. Now this is a lactic acid. Lactic acid, its mirror image. Okay, now both these are enantiomers. These stereoisomers are called as enantiomers of each other. Okay, next question. The rate of SN2 depends on the concentration of, you know that SN2 depends on the both this reactant, that is substrate, as well as this reagent, that is both the substrate and reagent. Okay, next, which of the following factors influence whether reaction will proceed by an SN1 or SN2? Now remember here the SN2 and SN1 mechanism depends on reactant, substrate, reagent as well as solvent. Okay, or these three factors. Therefore, therefore this option is C. Okay, the number of chiral carbon atom in a lactic acid. Lactic acid, this is the structure, this is the chiral carbon. Only one chiral carbon is present to which it is 4 atoms or groups are attached. Only one. Therefore, this is the answer. Next, alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide with KOH in which order reaction? Now, methyl bromide. Okay, it's a primary SN2. It is a second order reaction. Okay, it is a second order reaction. Okay, next one. Which of the following on hydrolysis forms racemic mixture? Now, see here, racemic mixture, when it is formed, if the starting material is optically active, that is contain chiral carbon. Now, out of this, which has a chiral carbon? Chloromethane? No, not possible. Now, 1-bromo, 1-phenylethane. Now, see this compound. 1-bromo, 1-phenyl, this is a ethane. This carbon atom is a chiral. Okay, this is a chiral molecule. Therefore, it undergoes hydrolysis to form a racemic mixture. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is an electrophile? Now, electrophile, that is electron deficient species. Either it is a positively charged or with a vacant orbital. Okay. Now, see this with a lone pair, it is a nucleophile, it is a nucleophile, it is a nucleophile. This one is a electrophile. What is the chemical composition of nickel prism? Nickel prism is made up of calcite, that is CaCO3. In alkaline hydrolysis of a tertiary alkyl halide, if concentration of alkali is double, then the reaction rate at a constant temperature is. Now, in case of tertiary alkyl halide, okay, this one, tertiary alkyl halide, the rate not depends on the concentration of the alkali. Therefore, concentration may be increase or decrease. There is no change in rate, therefore will remain constant. It only depends on the concentration of alkyl halide. Okay. If its concentration is increase or decrease, then rate changes. Okay. Next one. The correct order of reactivity of the halide is for SN1. Now for SN1, no, this one, SN1, this order, okay, and you know that benzylic and allylic halides are more reactive than the primary. Now find out this one here, benzyl, therefore it is more reactive. Then primary, out of that ethyl and methyl, out of this ethyl is more reactive, therefore sequence is 3-1-2, 3-1-2, this is the answer. Okay, next question. Which of the following combination is correctly matched? Now, just immediately find out first, SN2 is there, then Walden inversion. Okay, where is SN2 and Walden? Nothing. Now find out this. Yes, it is a primary. Primary SN2 Walden inversion. This is the answer. Next, now last question. The optical isomers which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other are called enantiomers, are called optical antipodes. All of this. Answer is all of this. Okay.